Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So let's begin. In the first step, we need to simply go to search bar, type your CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator, select S, then type these commands carefully. Simply type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and you need to hit enter to execute the command, and then type exit to close the command prompt window. After that, simply right click here and select settings. Then we need to select network and internet, then click on advanced network settings, and from here just scroll down and click on network reset. Simply click on reset now, select S and close this window. Once done, we have to just go to control panel, select view by as category, and then select network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, and on this window to your particular internet connection, right click on it, select properties, then select IPv4 and click on properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server addresses and select this one, obtain an IP address automatically. Now type here 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, then click on OK. Close all windows one by one. Again, go to search bar, type here CMD, just open it with the administrative privileges, and now here we need to execute the two commands like cd space app data slash local and hit enter. Once done, we need to execute the command rmdir space slash s space Roblox and hit enter. Select Y, and you have to execute these two commands, this one and this one. This will fix the issue. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to restart the system and don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.